I congratulate Raj Manohar and the entire team Aqua Connect, and loads of good wishes to you. Yes, to start with, I'll say the proverb really I like is that the only constant in this world is the change. And I appeal to my shrimp farmers that going with this proverb, the one who doesn't change with the change is going to perish. The farmer who's going to change with the change is going to survive. And the farmer who's going to anticipate the change is going to grow. And the farmer and the team which is going to bring the change is going to lead. This is what going to happen. Because last 20, 25 years, I'm into shrimp farming, and right from the rise and fall of Monodon, and again to the rise and fall of Vanami, I have witnessed almost 2.5 to 3 decades of shrimp farming. Yes, earlier there was no technology, as Mark said, there was no smartphones and all. But today, if you see the developing country like India, still 44 or 45% population still have the smartphone in their hands. Now, each and everything is very easy to communicate. So, Aqua Connect and connection to the farmers can really make a huge difference in the coming time, because if you narrate the whole journey of shrimp farming in India, earlier when we started, I think everybody, even Dr. Santana and Dr. Charan will agree with me. Monodon, though the productivity was only 2 ton or 3 ton or maybe even 1.5 ton per hectare, but the profit margins were almost like 150 times, 150% more. So farmers used to make 200, 300 rupees a kilo. So that time, if some they lose because of an oxygen depletion or because of DO, because of some disease or whatever it is, but still farmers used to earn because the margin was 150%. But of late, I have seen in Manami, especially, the margins of profit from 100%, 120% has come down to only 15%. Now today, the cost of production is almost for Gujarat, for 30 count is 300, and hardly we are getting 340, 350 rupees price. So you cannot work on just 10, 12% of margin in such a livestock and open to sky business. So what is the change? What is the next for the farmers to understand? We need to become efficient. We need to become more productive per unit area. It's not like that now we have to go into open pond system. For example, now I have 150 hectare. So I at an average do Vanami the Tiger Way, as Arpan said, was one of the most thought of concept. But today, I'm very sorry to say, the time has forced me to change from that concept. Because now, the 150 days crop or growing a very bigger size, the climate, the environment, the genetics, the feed, that thing is supporting. So shorter the days of the culture has become the new norm. The two-phase system from the involving nursery into three-phase system, the indoor nursery system to then only open pond for maximum 60 to 100 days culture has become. So in this thing, I think what Aqua Connect or any technology can bring into farmer support is how to become efficient in the operation. That will be a new norm. Because we, for example, how you can become efficient, because water quality is what is, we talk about aquaculture. So water quality is the paramount importance. So once you have a very good water quality on all parameters, there are to surprise, this is not only about the DO or the alkalinity or the salinity. If you really dig into the water chemistry, it is more than 35 parameters has to be balanced in aquaculture when you are trying to do a very scientific approach to the water quality testing. Farmers generally say, okay, I see just DO and I see just pH. There are more than another 35 parameters: calcium, magnesium, potassium, micro minerals, major minerals. There are so many things, the ratios that has to be corrected. So what I appeal to my shrimp farmer from this platform on the good day of Aqua Connect inauguration, see, we need to get now interconnected with the modern world, the technology, to become much more efficient, to become much more profitable, and to become much more sustainable. And definitely, since Aqua Connect, the connect word is a connection, so it can be connected to all, to the technicality, to the data, to the market availability. A hell lot of things can be done through the same thing. It is like it's like an umbilical cord between the womb and the mother, between the child. So I really think this is going to bring a a new era in aquaculture in India. And I congratulate once again Raj Manohar. This is a very critical phase of aquaculture time in India, and everybody has to understand to survive that we need to be efficient and profitable, and technology is the only way out. Because shrimp farming, that's somebody said, there's a movie, there was a dialogue. Movie is all about entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. So I will say now, the future of aquaculture in India is all about technology, connection, connection, and connection. Thank you so much. Thank you, Raj Manohar, and wish you all the best to the entire team.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for those encouraging words.